is blue, other is azul. So before we start our game, I'll be dividing you into two groups. Now for the boys, if you cheer for blue, let's say, go blue, go blue. And for the girls, if you cheer for azul, let's say, go azul, go azul. Now guys, are you ready for the basketball game? I want energy again. Are you guys ready? Now girls ready, cheerleaders ready, set, go, let's go boys, let's go blue, let's go azul. Okay, first go for blue. Followed by azul, second go for blue. And let's go blue wins this game. Sayang azul, that's for azul. So trainer Aju, you lose this game, what can we say?
Well, the trainer Vince, we want another game.
Another game, no trainer. He wants a rematch.
Are you sure about that? You want the Azul to lose again?
Oh my.
No, I'm pretty sure this time Azul and I will win.
So trainer, what game do you have in mind?
Now let's do a ring race. Now guys, in this game, the first person can drop all the 3 rings into the bowl. The fastest is the winner. And that is the ring race.
The ring race shall be remembered. Blue and the boys get 1 point. So girls, this is for us this time to win. Now guys, are you ready for the second round? I want to give you energy again. Are you guys ready? Now boys are ready. Cheerleaders ready. Set. Go, let's go. Let's go blue. Let's go azul. Okay, girls, ring for blue. Ring azul. Second ring for blue. Azul becomes a 3 rings at the same time of level 1 not azul. So trainer, did you see that 3 rings at the same time? What can you say?
Hey, what was that, trainer Alju? You guys cheated.
Oh, did you guys really cheat?
No, we didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
So round of applause for blue and azul. Now this time, I need an adult volunteer, okay? I need an adult volunteer with a money bill. Either 20, 50, or 100, okay? I need an adult volunteer. Anyone, please raise your hand. Wants to be a lucky volunteer?